Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, in our today's lesson, we will discuss about the modern periodic table. That what are the main properties of the modern periodic table? Basically, in modern periodic table, the elements have been arranged in ascending order of their atomic number. So, when we just arrange the elements in their ascending atomic number, we gain a type of classification. This is known as basically periodic table. So the elements that are having the similar properties are placed in the vertical columns, and the elements that are different, they are kept in the horizontal rows. So basically periodic table has been divided into vertical columns and in the horizontal rows. These horizontal rows and vertical columns just showing up the classification of elements that is known as into different groups and into different periods. So here these all are the groups and these are the mainly pairs. So here we have the two side elements. These are known as the outer transition elements, which are the lanthanides and the actinides. As because these elements having some different properties, so here after the 57 atomic number, it start from the 58. This is known as the lanthanides, and the period 7 elements, which is starting after 89 through the 90, that was thorium. So this is known as the actinides. Next we have one the description about the groups in the periodic table. Basically, the groups in the periodic table are known as the vertical columns. These vertical columns are known as groups, and all the elements that are having similar properties, they are having similar properties have been placed in the same group, and mainly there are total 18 groups from group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, and we just reached the group 18. And some groups have been just given the names. For example, the first one group is known as the alkali metals, and the group 2 is known as the alkaline earth metals. And from the group 3 to 12 we have the transition metals. And then the group 17 elements have been known as the halogens, and the group 18 has been known as the noble gases. So this is the simple groups, and they have been also classified as group A and group B. The group A elements are known as the main group elements, and the group B are known as the transition elements. So this is a simple about the groups of the elements in the periodic table. Further, they are having also some subgroups, that is A and B. So the elements that are having same properties are in the group A or group 1. Then we have the group B. So the main group elements are known as the group A elements, and the transition elements are known as the group B elements. Next we have the periods in the periodic table. Basically, there are total 7 periods in the periodic table, and these are known as the horizontal rows. These rows are known as the periods, and there are total 7 periods. The first one period is starting from the hydrogen, the second is starting from lithium, third one is starting from the sodium, fourth one from potassium, fifth one is from rubidium, sixth one is from cesium, and the seventh one is from francesium. So these 7 periods are given some numerical or the Arabic numbers from 1 to 7. In the first period, we just have only two elements. First one is hydrogen, and the second one we have helium. After that, we have the lithium. That is the first element of the second period, and the group 2 and 3, they contain total 8 elements. Then we have the group period number 4 and 5th. These are known as the long periods, and they mainly contain the number of elements, and they are starting from potassium and rubidium. They contain total 18 elements. After that, we have the period number 7 and 8, that is starting from cesium and francesium. They are known as very long periods, and they contain mainly 32 and 32 elements each. So this is the simple periods present in the elements. Now, when we are look on the second period, it is starting from lithium, and lithium it is known as the alkali metals. After the alkali metal, we have in the third period it is a sodium. It is also alkali metals. All the elements that are present in the group 1A, these are known as the alkali metals. As they are starting from the alkali metals and they ends up to the eighth group or the 18 group, that group is known as the noble gases. So in the first period we have just two. The second period starting from lithium and ends at neon. The third one started from the sodium and it ends at the argon. Then the fourth one is started from potassium and it ends at krypton. The fifth one started from the rubidium and it ends at xenon. And then we have the seventh one, it started from francesium and ends at radon. So this is a simple overview about the classification of the elements in the modern periodic table. I hope you guys understand about this classification in detail. And if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic we will discuss it is the features of the modern periodic table, that what are the main features. So for that time, you guys have a good day and Allah Hafiz.